Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the oven control in an electric Whirlpool range. The oven control is essentially the brain of your oven since it manages the temperature and cooking times so your meals come out just right. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we'll need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before you work on it. Now let's get started. To access the control, lift the cooktop and lock it into place. Remove the screws at the corners at the top, and there are also 2 on each corner underneath. You will need to open the oven door to get to them. Once the screws are out, you can pull the front panel forward and access the back of the board. Remove the knob that operates the control, then remove the screw that holds the control to the console. Remove the wire connectors and set the old control aside. Now we can reattach our wire connectors and position the control back into the console. Use the screws to secure the control and put the knob back on. To reassemble, push the control back into place and put the screws back into place that hold the console. You've made it to the end. Awesome work, and thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share how your repair turned out. If you still need an oven control, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. Your parts will be with you in just a few days. Still there? Yeah, you behind the screen. Hit those like and subscribe buttons to see more troubleshooting and repair guides, plus all the parts you might need to tackle the job yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.